Hi, I'm Abby. Nice to meet you. I graduated from UCA in May 2017 with a marketing major and with Spanish honors minors. At UCA, I ran track and cross country for 4 years, and I studied abroad in Costa Rica and in Germany for a semester at a business school, where I learned about how different cultures do business and I gained knowledge of another language as well. When I came back to UCA, I worked at Buckle for 3.5 years, starting off as a sales and management intern, then becoming a team leader, and then I was a manager in training for 8 months, where I learned about the hiring and training process of new employees, and I trained our current employees as well. And I was in charge of managing all the departments of the store and how to and growing those sales wise, which I was able to grow over 200%. So that was really, really great. And I sat in conference calls with other managers in training and our CEO, where we talked about our goals and how we were monitoring our progress towards those goals. Then I switched gears and I worked at a healthcare software company called Rockpoint Solutions, where I was a sales and marketer, and I made cold calls and I created marketing campaigns to send to pharmacies and hospitals around the country, and I did demonstrations of our business intelligence tools. Now I work at UCA as a graduate assistant, where I'm going to graduate here with an MBA in May, and I'm very excited about that. And I've gained a lot of skills, and I cannot wait for those to use. And I'd love to work for your company. So here's a business card for future use, and hope to see you around. Thank you.